In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can pause all Instagram notifications. So it can be quite annoying if you're getting a lot of notifications on Instagram or on your phone if you're trying to get some work done or something like that. So the process to be able to pause the notifications isn't a complicated one. So let's just get straight into it. So I've loaded up Instagram on the home page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on my profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner. That will take me to my profile. Then you can see that we have 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. I'm going to tap on that. That will bring you up a menu. Now what you want to do, it is like kind of like a hidden thing here. So the option that I'm going to select is your activity. That's going to show me some link activity and time. But what you want to do is tap on time. And then it's going to show you your average time on Instagram and things like that. And then you'll see an option here that says notification settings. That's the one you want to tap on. And there you'll see the option that says pause all notifications. All you need to do is toggle that on, and you can choose how long you want to pause the notifications, 15 minutes up to 8 hours. So I'll just select, I'll just say 8 hours. And then once the 8 hours is up, the notifications will be unpaused, so you can get a nice break from notifications. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.